Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to play Inzoi or download Inzoi for your PC, then this video is for you. First, let me search for the computer game here. So Inzoi is a type of game that will allow you to play with your friend that is actually offered by Crafton. But unfortunately, there is something I have to tell you that Inzoi is not released yet for any of the platform like Windows, Linux, or any of those. So you have to wait for the update. Here you can see some update and schedule about the schedule when they are going to release it in Steam. They are also in the early access game, so you can get the instant access and start playing and get involved with this game as it develops. So you can get involved with that, but there is a type of bugs there. But you can purchase this from the Steam. So this is actually now on early access mode. So you just need to wait for the full access and not it. Now the early access is not completed and may not change further. If you are not excited to play this game in this current state, then you should wait to see if the game progresses further in development. So you can wait for it, or you can go with the early access. Then you can play this Inzoi on your PC. So you have to purchase it. Simply click on add card and complete the purchasing process or payment process through your desired or chosen payment process. It could be a credit card or debit card or any online payment method that are currently available on your region and also to you. That's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.